this video, we are going to learn how to apply the laws of logarithms to simplify expressions involving logarithms. So we have evaluate 1 plus log 4 plus log 9 over 1 plus log 36. So remember, for us to be able to apply the laws of logarithms, we have to write everything in log form. So we can rewrite 1 can be written as the log of 10. So when we have that, we can now rewrite this expression as log 10 plus log 4 plus log 9 over 1, which is log 10 plus log 36. So now from here, we just need to apply the first law of logarithms. When there's a sum between logs, then it's the same as the log of the product of the numbers involved. So this can be written as log of 10 times 4 times 9 over log of 10 times 36. So in the numerator, we have 10 times 4 times 9, that is log of 360. And in the denominator, we have log of 10 times 36, which is also log of 360. So what we have in the numerator and what we have on the denominator are the same. So we can just cancel out to say log of 360 goes here once and log of 360 goes here one, so that we have the value to be 1.